Let's begin the elastomers panel at FEPLAR 2024. So we're going to start off with a talk from Compostos FCC, which will be given by Katia Souza. She's applications engineer at FCC, and she's going to tell us about the advantages of using TPE and TPV in the plastics segment. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Katia Souza. I'm applications engineer at FCC, and I'm here to share with you the advantages of using TPE and TPV in markets. The advantages of using TPE and TPV in plastics. It's not working. Now it is. So we're going to talk about thermoplastic elastomers and the properties, product line, and compliance with standards, markets, and applications. So this is the definition of thermoplastic elastomers. So TP behaves and has similar characteristics to vulcanized elastomers, but there are advantages in being in a material to be easy to process through blowing, extrusion, or injection. And so it's the elastomer, TPE is the elastomer plus the thermoplastic. And within these classes, we have TPS, and that because it fits into that class, and TPV among others. So today we're going to talk about TPE and TPV. So TPS is basically a chain of SEBS with polypropylene. So to confer some of the properties, I would have basic TPE, and given the charges and additives, we can have TPSs for many different segments. So according to market needs, we can develop the material to service this market. On the other hand, TPV, thermoplastic vulcanizates, has EPDM rubber. So that's the difference between the two. So TPS use SCBS rubbers, and in TPV we have EPDM rubber. So this is a comparison of the properties between the two materials. So the the density is from 0.89 to 1.20, and TPV density is 0.90 to 1.10. In TPS, you have the possibility of working with Shore A0 hardness to Shore D60. In TPV, we can work with the hardness of A35 to Shore D50. The processing temperature for using these materials for both of them go up to -50, with temperature greater than 100 degrees for TPS, and TPV up to 135 degrees. so it can easily bear that temperature. Both of them have good resistance to weather conditions, and TP has better elastic recovery for temperatures greater than 70 degrees. TPV has better elastic recovery when it's submitted to the same type of temperature. Both of them have good resistance in contact with acids, bases, and water. TPE has low resistance to oil, and TPV has medium resistance to oils. This is a comparison with other flexible materials. So in the first chart, we're going to talk about TPE and TPV, comparing it to flexible PVC and thermoset elastomers. So when we're talking about recyclability, the TPEs and TPVs are highly recyclable. Flexible PVC is medium, and thermoset elastomers, it's very low. When we compare density, we have 0.90 to 1.20, and when we talk about flexible PVC, we have 1.15 to 1.65 grams per cubic centimeter, so that's a considerable difference. And thermoset goes from 1.10 to 1.40. So it's an advantage over the material in working at such low densities. Using in low temperatures, TPE and TPV remain flexible at low temperatures. PVC loses the flexibility at low temperatures. And thermoset elastomers also remain flexible in those same conditions. One of the advantages is color stability in each batch. In this type of line, we don't have any color variations. That's something that we can maintain the color tone. PVC as well. But when we're talking about thermoset, then we have a huge variation. Processing complexity. So it's very easy to process this material. You don't require special